Hello from Bangkok, Thailand, and today we are at Siam Amazing Park. So we just arrived to the park not long, and then we're gonna head in now. We bought our tickets today from Flume, so we have to go to the counter to redeem the physical ticket. Let's go! So we redeemed our tickets and we made it in. When you redeem your tickets, you get a map. This is the map of the park. And what's unique about this park is that they have a normal theme park and they have the water park. Park tickets differs whether you are a Thai resident or you're not. So of course we are tourists, so we got the non-Thai resident ticket, and the ticket actually comes with a buffet lunch. It's located inside the water park and will be from 11:30 to 2:30. Unfortunately, it started downpouring, but it was okay because we made our way to lunch at Water World here. It's an international buffet, and we just picked up a few things. I would say there is a nice spread of food, but nothing too fancy, but it's nothing too simple either. Actually an extra station outside of the main dining hall area, and they have chicken noodle soup, so I just went and picked up one. I got mine with beef. It's okay, it's normal. I think it's nice to have after a swim. Finished the log ride, and actually at the start of the ride, you just saw there's a nice lady that took a photo for us, and this is how it came out. I think it took really well, so I bought the photo. It was 150 baht, but if you want it to be a magnet, which is also an option, they have it at 290 baht. After we walk around the park a little bit, none of the rides are really open, so we're not gonna waste any time. We're gonna head over to the water park, gonna get changed and then try some water activities. We're now by the lazy river. I'm just gonna slowly do some warm-ups. The water park's wave pool is one of the most iconic pools ever because it is the Guinness World Record, world's largest wave pool. Concludes our time at the water park. We still have an hour left before the park officially closes, so we're just gonna walk around and see if we can get on any rides that we didn't manage to get on before. Here. I do hope you guys enjoy. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe. It really helps to support the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.